Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? So today we are going to discuss on how to solve numerical problem. There are a few questions to be discussed. So you can pause and play this video so that we can do the exercise together. There are 4 steps to solve numerical problem. I call it as 4C. What is 4C? C number 1 is chemical equation. The first thing you have to do is to write a balanced chemical equation. C number 2 is convert. It means you have to convert any information given into number of mole. C number 3 is compare. You have to compare the number of mole by using the balanced chemical equation. C number 4 is calculate to get the final answer. Let's get started. Number 1. Calculate the mass of zinc required to react with excess hydrochloric acid to produce 6 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas at room condition. C1. Chemical equation. HCl plus Zn to form ZnCl2 and H2. Balance the equation. We have to find mass of zinc, and the information is 6 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas. C2 convert. Mole H2 equal to 6 over 24 equal to 0.25 mole. C3 is compare. 1 mole of hydrogen gas ratio to 1 mole of zinc. 0.25 mole of hydrogen gas ratio to 0.25 mole of zinc. C4 is calculate. Mass of zinc is 0.25 times molar mass of zinc 65 equal to 16.25 gram. Number 2. Calculate the volume of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 at room condition that decomposes if 11.2 decimeter cube oxygen O2 gas is collected at STP. C1 chemical equation. The chemical equation is H2O2 decomposes into O2 plus H2O. Balance the equation. We have to find volume of hydrogen peroxide, and the information is 11.2 decimeter cube of oxygen. C2 convert. We have to convert the information given into mole. Mole of oxygen equal to 11.2 over 22.4 equal to 0.5 mole. C3 is compare. Based on balanced chemical equation, 1 mole O2 ratio to 2 mole of H2O2. Therefore, 0.5 mole of O2 ratio to 1.0 mole of H2O2. C number 4 is calculate. C number 4 is calculate. The volume of hydrogen peroxide at room condition is 1 times 24 equal to 24 decimeter cube. Number 3. What is the volume of ammonia and H3 produced at room condition if 85.5 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas at STP reacts completely with nitrogen gas? C1 chemical equation. H2 plus N2 to give NH3. You are required to find the volume of ammonia produced at room condition, and the information given is 85.5 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas at STP. C2 convert. Convert any information given into number of mole. Mole of H2 equal to 85.5 over 22.4 to give 3.82 mole. C3. Compare. Based on balanced chemical equation, 3 mole H2 ratio to 2 mole NH3. 3.82 mole H2 ratio to 2.55 mole NH3. C4. Calculate. The volume of ammonia is 2.55 times 24 equal to 61.2 decimeter cube. Number 4. Find the mass of potassium required to produce 23.5 grams of potassium oxide when it is burned in oxygen. C1 is to write the chemical equation. The chemical equation is K reacts with O2 to give K2O. Balance the equation. You are required to find the mass of potassium, and the information given is 23.5 grams of potassium oxide. C2 is convert. Convert any information given into mole. So you have to find the number of mole for K2O. It is 23.5 over 94, which is molar mass of K2O equal to 0.25 mole. C3 is compare. Based on balanced chemical equation, 2 mole K2O ratio to 4 mole of K. Based on calculation, 0.25 mole K2O ratio to 0.5 mole of K. Next step is C4. Calculate. The mass of potassium is 0.5 times molar mass of potassium, which is 39, equal to 19.5 grams. Number 5. 8 grams of copper oxide powder is added in excess dilute nitric acid and heated. Calculate the mass of copper to nitrate produced. Step number 1. C1. Write the chemical equation. CuO reacts with HNO3 to give Cu bracket NO3 bracket 2 plus H2O. Balance the equation. The information given is 8 grams of copper oxide, and you are required to find mass of copper to nitrate. Step 2 is convert. The mole of copper oxide is 8 over molar mass for copper oxide, which is 80, equal to 0.1 mole. Step number 3 is compare. Based on balanced chemical equation, 1 mole CuO ratio to 1 mole of CuNO3 2. Based on calculation, 0.1 mole of CuO ratio to 0.1 mole of CuNO3 2. C4 is calculate. Mass of copper to nitrate produced is 0.1 times molar mass of copper to nitrate, which is 188, equal to 18.8 grams. Number 6. 0.1 mole per decimeter cube of silver nitrate solution is mixed with excess of magnesium powder, and 0.54 grams of silver is formed. Calculate the volume of silver nitrate used. C number 1 is to write the chemical equation. The chemical equation is AgNO3 plus Mg to give MgNO3 2 plus Ag. Balance the equation. The information given is molarity for silver nitrate is 0.1 mole per decimeter cube, and the mass for silver is 0.54 grams. What you have to do is to find the volume of silver nitrate. C2 convert. Mole of silver is 0.54 grams over molar mass, which is 108, equal to 0.005 mole. Next step is C3 compare. Based on balanced chemical equation, 2 mole of silver ratio to 2 mole of silver nitrate. Based on calculation, 0.005 mole of silver ratio to 0.005 mole of silver nitrate. C4 is calculate. We are using the formula of mole equal to molarity times volume. To find volume of silver nitrate equal to mole over molarity equal to 0.005 over 0.1, and the answer is 0.05 decimeter cube. That's all for today. Bye!